Hopefully everything will be good. Hopefully there will be no death. No death. Mayday was the last one. The first and last. Ah, sorry for the crit, Judge Judy. Lost the lawsuit. And the penalty was your life. We are now sending you to execution, even though you are already dead. I'm sorry. I did not think you'd get crit that much. Crits are just flying like crazy in this game. A bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. But not if they're both dead. Goodbye, Judge Judy. Super potion, nice. And our encounter is... Talo! Another bird to sacrifice!